today we are going to take down this Christmas wreath finally and make something that is more appropriate for the month of February. First, let's go to Pinterest. Then we'll go to the store for a few supplies. So I found this broken wreath for $1.74. Regular price was $7. My plan was to cover it with fabric anyway, so this actually worked out for me. I'm gonna glue it and then wrap some duct tape around it. I went with ribbon instead of fabric. The fabric would have required a whole lot more cutting, and I just thought ribbon would be easier, but then I only found one spool of each of the ribbons that I liked. So that's why I wrapped the whole wreath in duct tape to give me that black base, and then put my ribbon on, and now I'm using the kente ribbon just for the bow. And you may remember that my front door is orange, so a wreath wrapped completely in kente cloth, that very bright color, may not have shown up very well, so I think I'm happy with what I have here. I am sewing the ribbon together instead of using floral wire. I have floral wire here, I just could not find it, and it was raining and cold, and I refused to go back out. So this took a little bit longer than floral wire would have taken, but it was better than going outside. I had some wheat straw left over from fall, just laying around, and I thought it would be a nice natural element to add to the wreath. Wheat is a symbol of life and abundance, and so I thought that was appropriate. I have never seen this much duct tape on a wreath before, but in this instance, it works. I'm going to make a Valentine wreath as well. I'm actually going to put this one up on the 1st, and then on the 15th, I'll put up my African print wreath. Everything I found in the stores were either red or pink, and so after I ruled out this copper and gold, I decided on different shades of white. The grapevine wreath is one that I've had for a while. I think I got it at a thrift store for like $1 or something. And the berry vine that I'm gluing on, I got at Hobby Lobby. It was $24.99, but half off. So I got it for like, $12.50. And I'm trying this glue. It's not working. And then I went back and I started sewing again, sewing this vine onto the wreath because no floral wire. As soon as I placed these hearts on the wreath, I knew that they needed something more. So we just went with some dots around the border and some Valentine themed words. I glued them on, and then a little more sewing, and that was it.